got back from school and I have this cake I already made. So I was thinking of how to get a red airbrush color because I didn't want to buy it to have been too late to go to buy. So I thought of something on my way home, like what if I make mine? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own airbrush color. That's if it works. So let's see how it goes, guys. So guys, all you're going to need for this are a tube of gel food coloring. You just need a drop, and then of course you need an airbrush, and then some vodka and a dropper, and then a container for mixing. So I don't really measure this. I just I just add vodka until my ancestors tell me to stop. Okay, so guys, the reason why you need a dropper is because you're going to use a dropper to stir it. Yeah, so you're going to stir until you can't see any lump of gel food coloring. Like, you want it to be very clear, because whatever lumps you see will clog the tip of your airbrush, and you don't want that. So right now you're going to drop it in the airbrush and let's see if it works. So I'm going to turn it on to medium and see if it comes out. I don't know if you can see it on my skin, but yeah, it comes out. It's coming out, guys. Yes, so now I'm going to airbrush on my cake. What I wanted to do is, I don't need much of it. That was I didn't buy. So what I wanted to do was to outline the edges of my printout with the food coloring. It makes it like come together seamlessly. It doesn't look like you printed it. So this is something I like to do every time I use maybe a printout on a cake, especially on a fondant cake. It helps you like tie the whole thing together. So we're going to brush on the edges of our cake. So if you are, for example, if you need a lot of this, you should make a lot more, and then you can keep the remnants and keep it in maybe in an airtight container, because if you keep it in a regular container to dry out, because with vodka it evaporates. So guys, I feel like I just discovered electricity. It feels really cool, because normally if you want to buy an airbrush color, you need at least $6-7 for a regular bottle, and now you can make yours. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for staying tuned till this point. So I need you to like and subscribe and send me comments of how useful this is to you in the comment section. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like. I'm saying that twice. Like and subscribe. Okay guys, thank you, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.